In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your GOG account in just a few steps. If you're ready to permanently close your account, this will walk you through the process clearly and safely. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials. First, go to GOG.com and sign into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu, select Order and Account Settings. This will open your account management page. On the left-hand side, find and click Delete Account. On the next page, you'll see a Delete Account button again, so click that to continue. GOG will then ask you to confirm your choice. Read the warning carefully because this action is permanent. Once you click Confirm, your GOG account will be permanently deleted after confirmation. That means your account access and associated data will no longer be recoverable. And that's it. You've now deleted your GOG account. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials just like this one.